Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So look, if you love lasagna, then today's your lucky day. I'm going to show you how to make a lasagna without using pasta. If you want to see what I mean, then keep watching. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, turn on those notifications, and definitely like this video. I really appreciate it. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Your support means everything to me. Now, enough talking, let's get cooking. I'm going to start by using 2 large eggplants. I have 1 pound of some good ground beef, a 32-ounce jar of pasta sauce. You can use whatever sauce you like. And if you've been with my channel a while, you know I love spinach, so I went ahead and sauteed a cup of spinach. I'm going to use 4 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, as well as 10 ounces of ricotta cheese and 1 cup of cottage cheese. I have a half a cup of chopped onion. I'm going to crack 1 egg, and this is going to go into the filling. And for some added flavor, I chopped 2 garlic cloves, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of herbes de Provence and some black pepper and some Himalayan pink salt. So first off, I'm going to take the eggplant and just cut off both ends. Now I'm just going to grab my knife and begin cutting slices, and I really like to cut my eggplant into 1.5 inches. It really has to hold up to the baking process actually, and cooking eggplant can be a bit of a process, but in the end it's all worth it. It's going to be really delicious. Now to prepare my eggplant, I'm going to place my slices on a cookie sheet, and I'm going to drizzle both sides with some olive oil. Now I'm ready to season both sides with some salt and some pepper. My eggplant is ready to go, and I've already preheated my oven at 400 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead and bake it off for 7 minutes. Now after 7 minutes, I'm going to take my eggplant out, flip them over, and put them back in the oven and let them bake off for another 7 minutes. So while the eggplant is baking off, I'm going to get started on my spinach, and I'm going to go ahead and just pile a bunch of spinach into a skillet. You don't even have to put oil or anything in it, and you just put the heat on medium and just watch your spinach just wilt away. Now once you're done sauteing all your spinach, you're just going to put your spinach in a towel and just drain out the excess liquid. So over medium heat, I'm going to begin cooking my ground beef. So I'm just going to add it to my skillet along with my onions and also my chopped garlic. Now I'm just going to take my spatula and begin breaking everything up. Now herbes of Provence is a Mediterranean blend made up of different herbs like thyme, basil, lavender, parsley, oregano, tarragon, rosemary, fennel. It's a really delicious blend, and if you haven't tried it, you should really give it a try. Now at last, I'm going to put in some Himalayan pink salt and some black pepper. Again, I'm going to take my spatula and begin stirring it until all my meat is browned on all sides and my onions are tender and translucent. Now once my meat is completely brown, I'm ready to add in my pasta sauce, and again I'm just going to mix in everything until everything is completely combined. While I let my meat sauce cook down for 10 minutes, I'm going to get started on my creamy filling. So in a medium bowl, I'm going to add in my cottage cheese along with my ricotta cheese. I'm ready to add in a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm going to crack 1 egg. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in my sauteed spinach. And I'm going to season everything up with just a sprinkle of salt and some pepper. And I'm just going to take my spatula and mix and combine everything together. I'm ready to begin building up my lasagna, so first I'm going to spread a little bit of pasta sauce on the bottom of the baking dish. And I'm going to start just laying in all of my eggplant, making sure that most of the bottom is covered. But if by chance you're not a fan of eggplant, this is the part where you can start adding in your lasagna pasta. I'm going to take a couple of spoonfuls of this creamy cheese filling and spread it out evenly over the eggplant. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat this same process one more time. So we're near the end of making the lasagna, so I'm going to end it off with topping it with one last layer of meaty pasta sauce. At the very end, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle the last 3 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese on top. My oven is already preheated at 400 degrees. I'm going to cover my lasagna up with some foil and I'm going to bake it off for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, I'm going to take the foil off and put my lasagna back in the oven and let it bake and get brown on top for another 10 minutes. Now I know it could be a bit of a process, but when you look at the final product, I think it's completely worth it. Look how delicious that is. Look at all that gooey cheese. Now the best advice is to allow your lasagna to cool all the way down, because if you don't, it will do this. It will kind of fall apart on you, but it really doesn't matter. I couldn't help myself. I really had to dig in because it looked and smelled so good. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really loved making it for you. Share this video with everybody that you know who loves lasagna, and if you give this recipe a try, leave it in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Now before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.